On September 19, 2025, Stanford University unveiled its prestigious list of the world's top 2% most cited scientists. Among these global academic leaders is Professor Qihao Weng from the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, who ranks 7th out of 75,876 in the field of geological and geomatics engineering for career-long impact, the highest rank among all Asian scientists. The career-long citation impact is calculated based on citations to scholars' publications from 1960 to 2024. Recognized for both his career-long and recent research impact, Professor Weng's work is shaping the future of remote sensing, GeoAI, urban environments, and sustainability on a global scale. Professor Weng worked as the director of the Center for Urban and Environmental Change and as a professor at Indiana State University from 2001 to 2021. What drives Professor Weng's remarkable journey from USA to Hong Kong? Let's hear his story in his own words.
I joined PolyU in 2021 when the university was seeking academic leaders from around the world. It was a unique opportunity to expand my research in Asia and the Pacific. Before coming to Hong Kong as a chair professor, I spent nearly 3 decades in the United States, teaching and researching in 4 universities. In 2009, I visited the NASA Marshall Space Flight Center as a senior fellow. This academic experience prepared me for the next step.
In 2021, Professor Weng was awarded the Global STEM Professorship by the Hong Kong government, an initiative designed to strengthen university research, expand the innovation talent pool and global impacts, and reinforce Hong Kong's role as a global innovation hub. Professor Weng's contributions have been recognized with some of the highest honors in his field. In 2021, Professor Weng was elected as a foreign member of the Academy of Europe, an esteemed association that includes over 80 Nobel laureates among its members worldwide. In 2024, he received the American Association of Geographers Lifetime Achievement in Remote Sensing Award and the AAG Wilbanks Prize for Transformational Research in Geography. The Wilbanks Prize is awarded to geographers from the academic, public, or private sectors whose research has made transformational research contributions to geography or GI science, or to science and society more broadly. Since 2015, Professor Weng has served as editor-in-chief of the prestigious ISPRS Journal of Photogrammetry and Remote Sensing. Under his visionary leadership, the journal's quality and impact have soared, now ranking #1 in physical geography and #2 in remote sensing, with an impact factor of 12.2. His efforts have elevated the journal's centrality within the global community of photogrammetry, remote sensing, and spatial information science. Professor Weng's leadership extends to global initiatives, including chairing the Global Urban Observation and Information Initiative and serving as the Urban Task Lead for Group on Earth Observations. His efforts have improved urban monitoring and assessment, providing critical information for organizations like the World Bank and the UN, and have had a global impact on the urban SDG.
The Global STEM Professorship provides funding to recruit outstanding postdoctoral researchers and graduate students. With support from the Hong Kong Jockey Club Charity Trust, PolyU established the JC STEM Lab for Earth observations. Since 2022, our lab has grown into a team of nearly 30 people. We conduct research using Earth observation technologies by integrating space, aerial, and ground sensors, AI-powered image processing, and urban sensing. In the time of accelerated urbanization and climate change, global collaboration has become extremely important. This highlights the need for co-innovation and sustainability across borders. Working with colleagues from different countries gives me unique perspectives and drives transformative solutions. I believe that the breakthroughs in science, technology, and societal solutions often come from synergies with diverse ideas. Without collaboration with people of diversity, the time is lost, and the third insight may never emerge. Now at PolyU, my research focus is on the development of methods and techniques in remote sensing and GeoAI for climate resilience and urban sustainability. In 2025, we received a generous grant support from the Outer Point Charitable Foundation for the project Resilience of Rural Infrastructure and Communities to Climate Change. Our team consists of experts in climate science, transportation, remote sensing, geomatics, civil and environmental engineering. We aim to study heat wave resilience, agricultural systems, rural settlements, public transportation safety under extreme weather conditions in Asia and beyond. By forging diverse expertise and global collaborations, we aim to drive meaningful breakthroughs in climate adaptation and sustainable development.
As we look to the future, Professor Weng and his team are committed to harnessing science and technology for the benefit of cities and communities everywhere. By building global partnerships and pushing the boundaries of innovation, they are shaping for a more resilient and sustainable planet for generations to come.